Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Judy if you didn't know. If you're new here, make sure you hit that thumbs button if you end up liking this video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. So today I have another hair video for you guys. I am doing a braid out. So this is the morning after braid out. Has its pros, it has its cons, but I go over all of that in the video and what I would recommend to get a better result. I do have relaxed hair. I haven't relaxed my hair probably for 2 or 3 months now, so I'm a little bit spongy at the roots. Besides that, I haven't washed my hair recently, so this is kind of like a dirty hair braid out, kind of just maintain your hair while you can before you do a big wash day. So if you're interested in watching me kind of achieve this braid out, it's not perfect, but it's an attempt at a braid out, keep watching, okay? Me, these are always on loop, like it's always over it and still over it. I'm going outside looking a little crazy, but who cares? Hair is hair, it's fine. Put it up because I saw the video and I was like, but yeah, it's still looking a little dusty, but you know, hair is hair again, like I said. So I'm done at Sally's. I actually limited myself to buying only 2 things. I usually walk out with 10 things. So obviously I went for the perm rods, which were $12. It comes with 12 rods by Salon Care, and it's basically $1 a rod, so fantastic. I got that curly hair cream. So I only got this because it was like $4. This is the Taliah Waajid Curly Waves Naturals Curly Curl Cream. The lady told me she's heard good things about it, that it's basically sold out, it's woman owned. I'm gonna try it out today too. I have curly hair products and mousses and stuff, but I don't know. She sold me on it, so here I am. Let's head back home and try this braid out. Okay, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do here. I am just literally figuring it out. I have a spray bottle here. I have the perm rods that I bought from Sally's today. I also bought this curl cream for $5. It's the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. I have the Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse as well. And then I have the It's All About Curls Bouncy Cream. I don't really know. I also have the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel, maybe for my edges. I don't know. I'm just bringing out products just so that I can have something to work with. So I'm gonna start with the parting. I'm not gonna make a center part just because I feel like before I used to do a center part and then it's hard to kind of move the hair over and like shift it over without it kind of looking a mess. So I'm actually gonna make the part over here on the side because that's usually how I like to wear my hair anyways, like that. This is what we're working with right now. It's gross. So I'm going to just make a part right there. I'm gonna have it go all the way down. The parts don't need to be perfect. There's one part right there. This section is gonna be cornrowed down. And then I'm gonna get this other section and go down as well. Just like that. So now I have 2 sections to work with. This is what the front is gonna look like, basically. I'm gonna spray some water on it. And I'm going to just detangle a little bit. So my hair's a little bit dry, so I'm gonna pull out my favorite moisturizer, which is the ORS Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. Yeah, this is really, really great stuff. So I'm just gonna moisturize that. Now, I don't really know what to start with. Let's just trial some stuff. Why not try this curly cream first? Oh, okay, so this is the consistency of it. This is my first time opening it. It's thick, which is nice. We love that. I'm gonna grab like dime size and run it through my hair. Feels nice. It actually feels moisturized, which is cool. Also just gonna use this curl cream as well. Just because this is what my brother used to use and he has beautiful, beautiful curls. I feel like that's really weighed down, not gonna lie. Like my hair felt free before, now it kind of doesn't really. But let's just try it out. I'm just gonna grab this top part here and start braiding downwards. So now that I'm at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and open these. So I'm gonna take one of these rods. I don't really know how to use this. Okay, there we go. You know what I used to use before? I used to literally use toilet paper and just wrap it around. These are so small that I feel like, okay, that works. So what I've been seeing on YouTube, a lot of people roll it quite high. The higher you roll up, take in, it's just gonna spring together. It's not gonna be like a loose curl. So that's why I like to just roll it a couple times and put it there, because I do want a little bit more length with this. Yeah, so that is the first. Looks like this. A little pink guy at the end. Now we're gonna work on this section here. So this is the next section. We're gonna do the same thing. So we're doing the ORS. Put it all up in my hair. And then I'm gonna use this curl cream. Maybe a little bit more just because this is a bigger section. So maybe I just won't use this mousse. Maybe I'll use this mousse at the end because I don't even have like a lot left in there. Let's just keep doing what we were doing. So we're gonna use this guy. Just about that much. I'm actually just gonna come in from this little corner and we're just going to row it down. Boom. So that's two. Now what we have to work with is the back. So the back, what I think I'm gonna do is literally just, oh, this is such a cute look, imagine. So now I'm gonna work on the back. So basically I think I'm just going to do rows going down. I think I'll do 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Start here. Taken, I have no idea what these parts look like, nor do I really care. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's not even that bad. That's the parting. And then this is for the other side. Oh, not even that bad. We can start doing this now. So I'm gonna start with this side. I wanna start working a little faster. What fell? So there's this. It's already like has a little bit of curl to it. It's so cute. Detangling. Then we put product, and then we braid, and then we close the end. Oh, that's what fell. The freaking perm rod. I thought it was like a clip. Whoops. Well, I guess we know that that's not working. I gotta roll it up some more. Nice try. Tried to get away. There. Now that that's fixed, we can do the other one. Better not freaking fall out or else I'll be mad. Here we are. So when I see people do their braid outs, I see them always kind of just doing sections, like just splitting it down the middle, doing 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing. But I'm not gonna do that. My hair's relaxed. So if I am to do a braid out and the braids aren't close to the actual root, like it's the sense of like if I'm not doing a corner and I'm just doing a big, this entire section just as like one braid out here. I don't even know how to explain it. Like if I was just to grab this entire section, not cornrow it down, but just braid it like this, just do the braid down here, then this, it leaves all this space here that's gonna come out straight when I actually take the braid out. So then it leaves like two different textures in my hair. I just don't like the look of it. If I'm gonna go curly, then it's gonna be full curls, like everything looks like I'm a curly hair girly. Okay, there we are. Hi. I'm filming a video.
Figure out what to do with this table. So we got a high top table.
Yeah.
Is it weird to have like a garbage can outside?
Like the entire house garbage can? The table looks really cute. Is there an area right beside that pantry on your right that you can put the garbage can? You're in my video right now.
What?
You're in my video right now.
Hi, YouTube.
Here, say hi.
No. Well, finish your video and then I'll call you after.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm gonna move some furniture around.
You're literally crazy. Okay.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
She's so cute. She is just freaking out about home furniture and, you know, adult stuff. We're almost there, kiddos. Almost there. I really hope this braid out comes out nicely. If it doesn't, just know you won't be seeing this video. There we go. So, moisturizer, curl cream, curl cream. Aww, that did not need to happen, but it did. Moving on, hair is hair. I don't know, I think I'm taking this hair is hair statement a little too far, because, I don't know, I feel like losing hair isn't good either. But what can you do, it's already gone, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. It's giving basketball head. So I'm going to end off with this rosewater argan oil mousse, see if anything comes out. Yeah, so I got a little bit there. And I'm just gonna run it all through these braids. All right, so I'm done, fully done braiding everything. I was using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and then I just literally used the back of this like application brush to actually create the parts that didn't come out that bad. So yeah. They're just sitting in my bonnet. We'll give it a few hours and check back in later. Good morning. It is now 9:30 a.m. I did end up leaving the cornrows in my head overnight because by the time I was going to start taking them out yesterday, it was already getting really late and I didn't have any plans because I was just at home. So I'm gonna do it today. Let's see how many of the rods fell out. Those survived. Okay, so we have, how many did we find in here? We found 1, 2, and 3. This isn't ideal, but you know, we tried. This is what we're working with. To take the braids on, I'm gonna use this ORS Exotic Scalp Oil. I woke up so sniffly, like it's ridiculous. These pieces, be very gentle. I am not. So now I'm just gonna try and maneuver my hair so that there's no parts that you can notice. Practice. Okay, mándame una foto, mándame una foto. My hair got a little bit dry, but then again, of course it'd be dry because I didn't wash it or deep condition it or anything. This is what we ended up with. That's my attempt at this braid out. I don't know, there's a lot of more things that I would have done, things I should have done, taken into consideration that I didn't, but things that I did like, I do like the cornrow method because I feel like every piece is curled at the root, which is good, and it's easier to hide the parting because it's not like huge sections like that. I do love the curls at the roots, like they're very defined. I think the perm rods, I mean, I don't think I used these like I should have. I think I should have rolled these up more, definitely. This is what I'm working with and I'm not mad at it. Now I can kind of just hang out today at home until maybe I decide to go to work tonight. Who knows? If you have any questions, any recommendations, any tips for me to actually do a successful braid out next time, you know what? I wouldn't even say this is unsuccessful. I think it was successful. I just think I need to be more careful taking it out. I need to work on my ends some more. But besides that, I think I have like the building blocks to get me there. I'm just not fully there. So hopefully you can keep trying this at home and end up with the best braid out in town, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, sticking with me through the beginning to the end. If you guys ended up enjoying this video, obviously hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button. Everything that I said in the beginning. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, so I will catch you next time.